Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to reset your password for Remitly account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Remitly application from your app drawer. You will then see this interface where you can easily log in by entering your email and password. If you are having trouble remembering your password during the login process, you can simply get out of the situation and then reset your password to something else by clicking on the Forgot Password link. Now make sure that you've typed in the correct email in the text box. Make sure to enter the email that is associated with your profile. After you are done, tap on Next and you will now receive a reset link sent to you via your email. Open up your email app and in the inbox, open up the email from Remitly customer service. Now click on this link at the top that says click here to reset your password. Select a web browser from the list. This will then take you to a new page where you can enter a new password. Enter a new password you'd like to reset to in the text box at the top and then re-enter your password in the confirm new password text box. Finally, tap on reset password and then you will be able to reset to a new password on Remitly. You will then be redirected in the sign-in page where you'll need to enter your email and the newly created password and tap on sign in. And that is how you can easily recover your Remitly account or reset your password if you've forgotten the login password during the login process. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.